never to do that again! Ah!
What did you do with my hairs? Oh, put me down. I don't want to go in the spin cycle. This is gonna be hilarious. Look at him go!
Kitten!
We are doing everything we can, sir, but the readings are unusual.
It's gonna be okay, little one. I'm right here. Please don't cry.
Look at what you've done. You completely ruined it. Why do you always do this? Are you even listening to me?
I'm sorry.
Told you never to come back here. Get out of my sight!
But I love you. Please don't do this.